Welcome to Station 5. We're going to learn about how to evaluate a function. So what we're doing is we're given an expression and what x equals, and you're going to take what x equals and plug it in to both of those x values. So instead of an x, I have 1/2 in parentheses, like this. Notice I put this square on the outside of the parentheses. So you can do this with your calculator. So I take 12 parentheses 1/2 minus 3 plus 1/2 squared. Notice again I'm closing the parenthesis before I do square, and square is on the left hand side of the calculator. I hit enter, I get a decimal. If you prefer a fraction version, you hit math, which is below the green button, enter, enter. I'll accept either answer. So it was either 3.25 or 13/4. Alright, let's do another one. Now I have -1. It's a negative number, so I again have to put in parentheses. So it's going to go to all three of those x's. So I do in parentheses, because I have an x right away, -1. Now to get the cube, what I do is I hit the arrow below the clear button, and the 3, that'll make the exponent. And then to get out of the exponent, I hit the right arrow. Plus 2, parentheses again, -1, close it, and then square, minus 5, and then another parentheses. And I get 5 as my answer. Alright, I want you to pause the video and do the next 2 problems, and then when you're done, replay it and see if you did a good job. Alright, hopefully you have done both problems. You should have taken 1/3 and plugged it into that x and that x. So I do parentheses 1/3. I raise it to the 5th, plus 2, and parentheses again, 1/3, plus 3. And I get that nasty decimal. I can hit math, enter, enter, and that's the fraction I get. So when I write my answer, I can either put 3.67, I just rounded, or 892/243. And then for the last one, 2 in parentheses -3 square it, minus -3 minus 8. And I get 13 as my final answer.